wastegate right here, 9-pound spring, and we'll see how she runs. But yeah, in the process of flipping the wastegate also. We're gonna flip the wastegate dump tube so it comes out the hood, like around right here. Or out the cowl.
Infinity? Oh, you doing a YouTube video?
Grab your shit, bro.
Grab that Infinity to YouTube. Grab that Infinity for the YouTube video. Grab it one time. Grab that one.
That boy trying to hear some shit.
Get shifted up. Get shifted up. That's that floor shit. I'm done. See you later. Oh, you know I can't fuck you boys.
As you guys can see, fast forward, the wastegate's on. All I had to do is flip it, cut some of the cowl out with the. It's like a circular drill, bro. Pause. Got a pretty clean cut. Not the cleanest. That's alright though. I'll probably clean it up one day. I keep saying I'm never gonna clean this shit up. As you can see, we have exhaust wrap on the wastegate dump going all the way down to the wastegate. Hopefully the cowl doesn't start to burn, but so far it's been alright. No problems. So she look mean though. She sound crazy. That shit looks mean with the hood closed, bro. It's low key, but it's like it's just enough. Not low key when you hear it though. I'm not gonna lie. I definitely need help with something to clog this with to keep like dirt, debris, rain, all that out of here. So if any of you guys have any ideas of what I can use to clog this while it rains or anything, let me know. Open to suggestions. So God damn it.
Stop playing with them, Riot.
About to go to the pumpkin patch real quick. We'll get some content, videos, photos, all that. Crazy in the mirror, bro.
Appreciate it. Thank you, appreciate it.
That's fine.
Hey, we can't make it over that. We're not making it over there, bro.
No, you ain't.
We're not making it over that, bro. And she kept trying to tell us like we're gonna make it over it. I'm not going over this, bro.
And it's not even worth it.
It's
I'll
not
be real.
worth
You're
it,
stuck
bro.
here, guaranteed.
I'm gonna keep my shit right
I'll
there.
keep my shit right there too. I'll bring my shit up a little more. I'm gonna turn that bit no rise or no. No, go left.
Air.
No, I know. No, turn.
Get air up, bro. Air up. Alright, I hope you feel that shit, boy.
Yo, that bit won't play, boy.
It's crazy. Fucking bag boys.
The other one's scared. I'm gonna leave that shit right there.
These ones are 5, and I think the smaller ones, the white ones, are 4.
Okay.
And yeah, so
So they got the midget pony over there. Alright. You trying to go horseback riding?
I already did that.
Oh, alright, my fault. I'll never be coming out for Halloween like that. I've never been to a pumpkin patch, bro. I'm trying to get one that look like the most generic pumpkin. I wonder how much this shit is.
That's gonna be easy 15.
Word?
Yeah, we split it 2 ways, bro.
I bet.
It's gonna be it for us.
You know that say 2.2.
it's 27.
So how much?
It's 27.
Oh, $27.
It's $1 per pound.
Oh, yo, alright, I'll be back.
Bet you won't smash it now though. Just drop it. There's a reason why that buddy was sitting there though.
Yeah, ain't no one picking that shit.
Look at that. He miserable as
He's trying to run, look.
Look at him.
That boy don't even run. All by mistake. Look. All the, he's gonna
Look at him. Look at him. It's in himself.
Regardless, this guy.
What'd you guess it was?
A dub.
It's 18.
I'm like that. I'm like that. It don't matter. I'm like that. It's a high ball. So
5 minutes. I had it for 5 minutes.
You had the pumpkin for 5 minutes? So you went to a pumpkin
It was
patch?
picture perfect, bro.
You just went to a pumpkin. That man crazy glue that bitch on top, man. You got a crazy glue that pumpkin patch, bro.
What? It's dope as fuck. I got everyone around my shit. squad lit, man.
12 seconds later.
They said we was racing.
Why she collecting driver's license, bro?
Just came into work. I just ate my Chipotle.
I feel you. You chilling?
When I get cold, I show up. Okay?
Yeah, you're chill. Like,
That's why. Yeah, that's why we was like. You didn't even look at me. Yeah, that's why I was like, yeah, let's go in this corner over here. Nah, so you chilling? Yeah, we were trying to get pictures, but now it's about going. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I need to get Come on.
yo, what you doing, bro?
That's luck, bro. You know what I'm doing.
What about the gauges?
What's the middle one?
With his hand, bro. With his fucking hand. This nigga reached through the fucking window. I'm sick. Where the officer was in your whip?
Both of them.
Both of
The
them?
dark skin was in the bag.
What the f? Yo.
Perpendicular parking. Not gonna lie, we did this shit just for TikTok, bro. My car's messed up, guys. It's gonna be parked for another 45 minutes. Pretty much the interior of my motor. Spark plugs are. Checking to see where this oil leak was coming from. Coming from the left side of my car. When I looked and I saw where the oil residue was, I automatically knew it was my valve body that had to get either replaced or had to redo the seals. Spark plug number, I think 6, was filled all the way to the brim with oil. What is that, a Honda?
I can't believe this shit.
Stop playing with them, Riot.
Bird shit all over my car, bro. All over. Somebody gave him laxatives, bro. They tried to shit in my car.
Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no 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 way, boy.
Yo, some of it got inside the car, bro. That's bird shit. Oh my gosh, bro.
Oh my god! Even though they oh my god.
You're gonna have to write these birds a letter, bro.
If the wind was blowing 2 feet stronger this way, I was standing right. I can't even see that on camera, so it don't even matter.
She can go like 2 feet there. Got your
Watch me step inside and make it active. I'm addicted to flashing and fashion.
Hey, bro, this picture perfect. They don't know.
They don't know.
They don't know. Hey, Chuck.
They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. I done drop a couple for them Maggies. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic. From New York, so we making it happen. Why they try to